phone case review. This is my cat. Okay. What? Phone case review. Firemobile versus LaterCase. Pros, cons, protection, value for money, and more. All in this video. Let's do it. Let's review some phone cases. Hello everybody, this is your bald, awkward tech buddy, Jake. Welcome back to Shot on My Phone. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about two phone cases and two phone companies made by two very popular YouTubers. Unbox Therapy in his LaterCase, EverythingApplePro in his Firemobile series case. While Firemobile cases are only made for iPhones, LaterCase is also made for a plethora of other phones, as you can kind of see here on the box. Now, both cases are very different from each other, with only a few similarities. To preface this, we're only going to be talking about the carbon fiber editions of each. So Firemobile comes with a clear version, while LaterCase is only in carbon fiber, but they have various colors, such as this crimson, black, and then blue one that they like to call Willy Blue. Each of these cases focus on different benefits from each other. Firemobile is all about protection, and LaterCase is all about thinness and the design of your phone and more. So, are you the type of guy who uses protection? Funny, I know. Okay, let's get to the unboxing. Starting with Firemobile, it's fairly simple unboxing. It shows, it's kind of like the Apple boxes, shows the phone case, your product you're getting, and all the details on the back. This is my little cat. Okay, so unboxing is fairly simple. You open it up, comes with, here's the case. Remove the case from the packaging. There we are. I'm going to set this here. And underneath, it normally comes with a screen protector, which I've already used. Screen protector, a sticker, and all the accessories to apply the screen protector. So it's really nice, pretty simple unboxing. Just going to set that right there. What you doing, cat? Hi. I know. Okay, next is the LaterCase. What are you doing? Really nice packaging. Magnets everywhere. Look at that. Now, this is a magnet up here, and it's really nice. It's really nice and sexy. Red case. Pull that out. Here's the case itself on a white little foam thing with some social media plugs for LaterCase. Stewie. Okay. So it's gonna look at this. It's fantastic. Okay. So both cases feel really good in the hand. LaterCase is a little bit flimsier, but that's because their goal is thinness. They call this an impossibly thin case, while Firemobile is all about protection. Look at that. You can see all this in there. You can see the padding, the blue TPU for shock absorption. Fantastic. This case is very good. If I dropped my Firemobile case with my phone in it, I would not freak out whatsoever. But if I dropped this LaterCase, I feel like it would break the case first before it broke the phone. So, So this is what Firemobile looks like. Pretty nice. Firemobile case is very sturdy. The carbon fiber model comes with very strong magnets in there for MagSafe. So it's MagSafe compatible. The other one's also MagSafe compatible. We'll get to that in a second. So we're going to set this right there. This case is also very comfortable to hold due to the innovation. Look at those curves on there and down there as well. So it's for holding the phone, just like a little pinky thing down there. The indentions on the side for you to hold the phone a little bit easier, a little bit more comfortably. Super cool. It's really nice. This case is very, very good for the money that you pay for it. You get a lot out of this. This company is all about innovation and making really nice cases that are very protective and giving you very comfortable hold on the phone. But it's a little bit on the heavy side. which I guess is the price that you pay for protection. The case doesn't bend too much, and it offers a bit of screen protection. Little claws jut out. It goes over the screen, so if the case falls flat, it'll hit the bottom of the case and not the screen itself. So that's super nice. But it also comes with a screen protector and really strong magnets. And that screen protector that comes with is super duper nice. I just said super duper, didn't I? Okay. Next is LaterCase. For the same amount, you don't get the extra MagSafe protection. You don't get a nice screen protector, but you do get a really nice box. Yeah. This case is more of a luxury type case. It's very grippy, and you can feel the carbon fiber. And now, it's not just carbon fiber on the back as it is in the Firemobile case, but it's all around. The sides, the inside is all carbon fiber, all that material. So it's super grippy, but it's so very thin. So while the case is very grippy, that's the only kind of protection it provides. This case is essentially just like a skin for your phone that you can remove. Also provides the same amount of protection as a skin, essentially. So let's go ahead and put the case on the phone. Okay, look at that. It's pretty nice. So like I said, it's a very nice feeling case. This way you can just feel the sexiness of your phone. You can see the sides. So your phone, the size of your phone gets scratched up a lot easier, which is really unfortunate, I'd say. So I'd say maybe this case is for like a night on the town. You put it on for something and then it just, be very, very careful. This case is so thin, just to give you, just to preface this, when I first took it out of the box, I tried to bend it a little bit and I heard a crack. So you don't like to see that in a $50 case, but So along with the thinness, this case is also technically MagSafe compatible. The only reason it's MagSafe compatible is because it's so thin that the magnets work through the phone, through the case to the phone. But it also falls off super, super easily. You shake it, my MagSafe wallet just falls off. You hate to see it, honestly. Where on the Firemobile case, the magnet is almost too strong, which I think is a good problem to have. So that's really it. Both cases are good when it comes to value for money, but Firemobile case has you covered a lot more for the same amount of money. If you rock your phone without a case, maybe a LaterCase is a good alternative. Like I said, it's like a skin. Thank you so much for watching. Check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Patreon, and Facebook. Links below. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment on this video. It's free and it benefits the channel a lot. Thanks for watching. I'm Jake and this is Shot on My Phone.